Welcome to the new video. Today we're going to talk about product calculation, how to actually calculate products the right way. Okay, so of course there are millions of products out there on AliExpress, but you can't just take a price, buying it for $2 and sell it for $3 and you're just gonna say, okay, I made like $1 profit. No, that's not how it works. You have costs like Facebook ads and then other transaction fees and maybe taxes if you're not from USA or Canada. If you're, for example, like me from Germany, we have to pay VAT tax, and that's also what you have to calculate. And calculation is very important, okay? Because you don't want to have like $100,000 revenue in 1 month and only make like $4,000 profit, like a 4% or 5% profit margin. No, our goal is to have profit margins of 25 to 40-50%. This is the goal, and this is also possible if you do calculation the right way, because calculation is very important for Facebook ads, okay? Because Facebook ads is a metric which we can't actually control. You can always get the price lower of your supplier on AliExpress. You can also you can always handle, and if you're buying it for $5 and you're getting 50 orders in every single day, you can contact your supplier and tell like, okay, I'm bringing in 50 orders every single day and you need to make me a better price. Then you can get the price lower. But Facebook ads, you can't control Facebook ads. Facebook ads is the only metric which you can't control in this dropshipping business. That's why we need to calculate the right way and have enough margin before Facebook, okay? And have a good break-even point. What the break-even point is, we're just gonna talk about right now. So just some basic points here. Don't compare yourself with Amazon or other e-commerce stores, because these are not your competitors. What we are targeting here is impulse purchasers, okay? We are not selling people products which they're looking for. No, we actually just throwing them creatives, video ads, photo ads on Instagram and Facebook, on social media, and we just gonna create an engaging video ad which is gonna force people to buy our product from our site right now, like with offers, like with urgency, like only 50% off today. That's why people not take the time and go to, like, maybe 2% of 100 people will do this. They're just gonna go to Amazon or eBay and look for the product for a cheaper price. But most of the people, I can tell you that from experience, will just, if they like your product, okay, they will not lose time. Like, you have to imagine people are lazy. They are not taking this time and going to, I don't know, to Amazon or eBay and looking for cheaper prices. No, if they like the product, they will just buy from you and then leave, okay? And that's it. That's how it works. So don't focus on compare yourself with Amazon or other e-commerce stores. Next point, select products with more than $10 profit, okay? For example, we're buying something for $6, sell it for $30, we have a margin of $24. If you're buying something for $2 and sell it for $10, the multiplication by 5, the factor is the same, okay? Like we multiply it by 5. Buying for $6 multiplied by 5 is 30. Buying for $2 multiplied by 5 is $10, okay? But what's the difference? The profit margin, okay? So in the first example, we have a profit margin of $24, and the second one, a profit margin of $8. And the bigger your margin is, the better it is for Facebook. Then you can spend more money on acquiring a customer. That's why you also always need to know your break-even point. What's the break-even point? The break-even point is the maximum cost per purchase, the maximum cost you can spend for one customer, for one purchase of your product, okay? So if we are buying something for $6 and selling it for $30, we're gonna have like a margin of $24, okay? And from this $24, we also need to like cut off transaction fees, and this is the only cost if you are doing like dropshipping international, and then we're gonna end up like on a margin of 20 to 80. And this is the maximum cost per purchase, the CPP, the break-even ROAS, which we can spend on Facebook. And if you want to know your break-even ROAS, what you can do, you just take $30, okay, $30 and you just divide it by your break even or your maximum cost per purchase, and this is $22.80, and this is going to be your break even ROAS 1.3. So every ad set which has a ROAS over 1.3 is profitable. Every ROAS which has like a ROAS of 1, 1.2, 0.5, this is not profitable. This is losing you money. This is how you actually know what are the profitable ad sets and what are the ad sets which are losing you money, and which are the ad sets you can actually scale. Okay, because if you have an ad set which is like a ROAS over 4 or 5, in this case you are making a lot of money, you are making a lot of profit. That's why you can actually scale this ad set. So you always gotta calculate this price point, this break even point. Okay, always cut off like this 5% transaction free of the product price, and then you just get your maximum cost per purchase, and this is what you divide from your selling price. We just take the selling price $30 and divide it by our maximum cost per purchase, and this is at the end of the day your break even ROAS. Yeah, and so if you're buying something for $2, which is less than $2, like $1, 1.50 or 50 cents, then you can just sell it by the factor of 5 to 10. So if you're selling, like buying something for 50 cents, you can sell it for $5, $4.95. Okay, then you can just mark up more. But if you are buying something for between $2 and $15, you can always mark up by 2 and 4x, 2x or 4x. So if you are buying something for $10, you could sell it between $20 and $40. Yeah, just select the price point which is working for you, where you're getting enough profit after calculating everything, and which is also bringing you a high conversion rate. This is the most important thing in the end of the day, that people, when they come to your store, that your price of the product is affordable, that people can pay for the product, and then you can actually scale up. Okay guys, this is product calculation, how to calculate the right way. This is how to calculate your break-even point, the maximum cost per purchase which you can spend maximum for one customer. And yeah, that's it. See you in the next video.